Okay guys, what is up? So today I've caught some decent trades on GBPUSD here, and basically, as you can see, I had a lot of positions here, and I'll just try and break them down to you. So the first one was about 5 stacked positions here for about 7 pips, and then the next one was about 4 positions which I caught for 10 pips, and then the other one was about 2 for 12 pips, and then the final one right here, as price started to move against me, I basically got out for an additional 7 pip. And guys, basically today what I wanted to do is, in other videos what you've seen is, as price approaches my level of interest, you see that I would typically trade it in the other direction. However, today GBPUSD has been very bullish. As you can see, basically yesterday, you know that we caught a trade from this level, we exited around this level, but today I saw that that bullish momentum that we were trading from yesterday was carrying on today. So I was looking for that bullish momentum. So coming into this market, I saw price trading at a very key level. This is a yearly level right here, and I can see that bulls were basically very aggressive in terms of trying to push price above this yearly level. So I was waiting patiently because I wanted to see an aggressive push above the level before I started to get involved to the long side on this trade. And basically that aggressive push was what I saw right here. So as soon as I saw aggressive push right here in New York session, I knew that the bulls were basically not going to give up, because if I would have seen that the bulls were lacking the volume and the aggressiveness to push price above this key level, I wouldn't be getting in for a long. And despite the market being very bullish on all time frames, I would have waited for a strong retracement to then take price back to the yearly level. But what I saw was the bulls were in fact very aggressive here. So as soon as I saw massive volume coming in, so if we drop to our footprint chart, so what you can see guys is basically this was that volume that I saw that came in right around this level, and basically you can see 193 buying delta, which was the max we had up until this point, right? So as soon as I saw that, that's when I got in my first couple of positions, right? And I was aiming to basically take price back to this level right here, which is a daily level, a minor structure level for me. So I was looking to take price up to this level, but what happened was the sellers attempted to push price below the yearly level. But then when I saw that there were buyers coming in, as you can see, there were several buyers coming in at the bottom of this candle, I started piling on more positions, and 2 candles later, you can see we had more buying aggressiveness coming into this market. That's where I got in my final positions. And then as soon as we had this massive bullish push, which was 346, I got out majority of my positions, because what this means is it could have either meant that buyers were taking profit, or it could have meant that buyers were basically stacking in to then push price further. But I liked where I was at in terms of profits, so I scaled up majority of my positions, because if it meant that buyers were taking profit at this point, I did not want to be a part of this trade no longer. So that's why I basically mitigated my risk and just took some risk off the table, well, majority of my risk off the table anyway, after seeing this massive bullish aggressiveness. And as you can see, price basically hesitated and had difficulties following through with that buying. So that's why I was like, okay, well, it seems like the bulls were getting exhausted here, and maybe sellers are starting to come into this market and bulls were being absorbed. So as soon as I saw price starting to push below, that's when I took my last profit off the table. As you can see, we had that massive bearish push here, and that's when I scaled up my last position. So that's it on this one, guys. I still believe GBPUSD is very bullish, but then we've got news coming out later on which is very high impact news, so we would have to see how the market reacts to that. But I still have overall a bullish bias in terms of GBPUSD. Anyways guys, I hope you like this trade. Smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.